Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a featured guest. Molly, want to introduce yourself?
My name's Molly.
She's chilling. Today, we're just gonna do her makeup for fun. I am going to start off with her eyebrows. Oh, Hayley, do you want to say hi too? Hi. Yeah, she's behind the camera. She's working magic. Okay, today I'm gonna start off with Molly's eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. I'm taking some of my MAC Painterly Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. Next, I am going to be taking the shade right here. It is from the Kat Von D palette, and it's the shade Levitation. I think. Maybe it's Lucid.
Wait, which one is it? It's that one. No, so it's Levitation.
This function out of
Are you sure?
Yeah, because if you take it like that, and
Yeah,
then you
but
flip
like-
it over like that, it's Levitation.
Yeah, but what if you're reading it this way and then flipping around this
Well,
way?
why? No, that makes no sense. So I think it'd be Lucid, Lyric, Levitation.
Oh my
So
god.
it'd be like Levitation, Lucid, Lyric.
I feel like this is
Okay, I'm
relevant.
taking this one. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be dipping into these two shades right here. I'm going to be taking that inner crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Venetian Red. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Love Letter, and I am deepening up the outer V of her eye. I'm going to be taking the shade Cyrus Umber and deepening up that like outer corner of her eye, and it kind of like makes it look more red than it actually is, but it's actually a brown. I'm just gonna go back in with my blending brush and blend out those edges. Next, I'm taking the shade Vermeer on a little flat brush and kind of carving out her eyelid with it. I'm kind of connecting it to her outer shades, so it's like a seamless blend. Next, I am taking this Wet n Wild eyeliner, giving her a wing. Next, I'm putting primer on her face. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Next, I'm taking the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the shade Light. It's 48. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, next I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder and baking her under eyes. Look up. I'm just gonna blend that in now. For under the eyes, I'm going to take Love Letter and Venetian Red. I'm going to be taking the shade right here from my Kat Von D Shade Light palette. Taking this ColourPop duo, taking this blush right here. So I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette and I'm taking the shade Forever Young and highlighting her face with that. Next I am taking this Kat Von D studded lipstick in the shade Magic. Okay guys, this is the finished look. She looked good. I know that Swirl is coming around the corner for people around Galesburg, so if you guys want, feel free to hit me up. My Instagram and Snapchat will be listed down below, as will my Twitter, I think, maybe. Yeah, I'm fun.
Why not?
But yeah, I only charge $10, so.
For all this.
Yeah, so if you guys want, feel free to hit me up. Peace out, Girl
I'll
Scout.
do it too.
Okay.
And that's a wrap. Oh.